Good morning, Santi.
What is that?
Arugula. Masarap to with grilled chicken, grilled steak, grilled fish, anything.
Saan nakukuha yan?
Sa Santi's farm.
I see. Kaya naman pala eh.
This is our greenhouse.
Ano yung ginagawa mo today?
We're getting the leaves of our arugula. Napaka-unique kasi ng taste niya. Parang sa mga salad na ginagawa niya, mabuboost yung flavor ng salad. Magkakaroon ng kick. Diba? Mas masarap kung kakainin nyo to ng raw. Kasi hindi ako nag-i-insecticide. Dahil kami din, ulam din namin to. Kailangan naman lalagyan ko ng chemicals yung pagkain ng mga bata. Just 1 cup, masusuplayan na niya yung vitamin A mo, potassium, iron, magnesium, folate. So yung pechay na yon, yung mga anak namin, hindi nila gusto yung nalutong pechay. Gusto nila yung hilaw na pechay. Ginugunting ko ng maliliit, tapos nilalagyan ng kamatis. Tapos, konting patis at konting balsamic vinegar. A little bit of pepper. Tapos yun, kinakain na nila yun. Hinahalo sa rice. Imagine. Raw pechay. Kaya dapat, importante sa amin na walang chemicals yung gulay namin dito. So yun, kayo din, pwede rin kayo makapag-avail ng chemical-free vegetables dito sa Santi's farm. Just visit us and learn how we do it, see how we do it, share naman namin. And if you are also into gardening, farming, tips, ganon, pwede namin i-share. Okay, let's continue. See you later, Santi's fans.
Happy birthday from Santi! Thank you for making me so famous!
Happy birthday!
Anong handa nyo? Siguro hindi gulay kasi nabenta mo na lahat ng gulay nyo, di ba?
Sino si Mami Day?
Mami ko.
That is obviously the newly tinted farmer agriculturist sa family.
Mommy's bibenda his plants.
Wow!
Magaling pa siya magpawater ng plants, gumawa ng compost, kaya niya rin gumawa ng fertilizer.
When I watch Santi's farm videos, you really make me think you are the female version of Jerry Geronimo. That's a person known to thunders. You really sound and look as credible as him. I know you cook well, mana ka sa akin, but it never crossed my mind that you would seriously take on farming. Indeed, when God closes a door during the pandemic, He opens a window. And in your case, it's a wide, wide window. I wish you success and proper guidance on which opportunities to prioritize. So more than averting our Tarlac property from becoming a wasteland, I'm also grateful that you succeeded to convert what used to be the poultry area into a beautiful meat farm, consistent to your being OC. So ngayon alam ko na kung anong look ng garden ng isang OC. And I am grateful that you are helping keep the family home still a home that welcomes several generations of the family. And I also know that you exert so much effort to make it a place where everyone can bond and feel a sense of family the way that we have always used to. I have always known you also to be diligent, So I know you are capable of hard work. And I see that now when I see you work so hard at Santi's farm. And of course, I know that while you're doing this, you're also keeping your position as the official enforcer in the family, enforcer to your kids, and aside from being supportive wife to Nikki. I really pray that God blesses you not only with happiness, but with abiding joy in your heart, success in your endeavors, and good heart always.
Good health and a better years ahead of you, and the kids and Mickey, and enjoy your gardening.
Hi Diane, happy birthday! Wish you good luck, good finances, masagana.
Ang gaganda ng mga apo natin sa kanila.
Look, come here, mommy. Look, look.
At marami ang nakapaligid na nagmamahal
Ang
sa
ganda
kanya.
din ng pag-aalaga mo sa mga bata, no? Thank you very much.
We love you, Diane.
Happy birthday anak. Alam ko, patuloy mo naman binibigyan halaga ang ating Panginoon para ikaw ay bigyan din niya ng halaga, lalo na yung pamilya, ang iyong anak, asawa. At siyempre, yung inyong hanap buhay. Pagpalain sana kayo ng Panginoon sa mga susunod na araw. Happy birthday, Freddy.
Happy birthday, chicken. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Dayan. Happy birthday, Ate Dayan.
Happy birthday, Diane.
Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, mommy.
We love you.